birthday surprise! I heard may birthday ngayon ang isa sa mga leader ng single. Sino kaya siya? Anyway, hi Rene, happy birthday! Yeah, nakontak ako ni Oslek at ni Junjun and inform me na gumawa daw ako ng message for you. Kaya eto, andito ang kagandahan mo. Ay, kagandahan ko pala. So yeah, happy birthday. I know may surprise party daw para sa you today. Kaya kahit wala ako dyan ngayon, at least through the video, kasama nyo ako. And sa lahat ng singles, sa lahat ng nagli-lead ngayon sa singles, hi, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? And yeah, wala ako ngayon dyan. Pero I know, kahit wala ako ngayon, I'm part pa rin ng singles. And na-feel ko naman yun nung umuwi ako last April para sa singles encounter to serve God. And yeah, and thank you sa lahat ng kumontak sa akin that time, and lalo na kay Rene kasi siya yung nagsabi sa akin na mag-serve daw ako nung Sunday worship. So kaya naging part ako. So yeah, I really appreciate that, Rene. And ngayon na birthday mo, I know you're happy together with your family, friends, and of course, sa singles, ngayon na meron silang surprise party daw sa'yo. And ikaw daw ngayon ang prayer leader. So yeah, please include me on your prayers. And I know ang singles have a good leader. And together with the other singles na medyo ka-batch ko na, mas nauna ata ako sa kanila. So hopefully next stage maging ME na tayo. But then yes, thank you for always feeling me part of the family. Thank you, Rene, for effort last time. And yeah, so sa lahat ng singles, make Rene happy and enjoy the party. And Rene, good health, best of love life. More blessings to come, and yeah, happiness, not happiness, but joy serving the Lord, and yeah, of course, to all singles as well. So thank you very much. Thank you, Oslek, thank you, Junjun, for reminding me. Sorry na late, kasi medyo busy ang lola mo dito. So yeah, at least I'm part of it pa rin sa birthday celebration na rin. So thank you. Happy birthday again, Rene, and God bless. God bless you all singles, and to all MEs na nagli-lead pa rin sa singles. Thank you very much po for not giving up sa singles. Kahit medyo mga pasaway kami paminsan-minsan. And yeah, thank you everything. Thank you, and happy birthday, Rene. God bless us all. Bye-bye.